Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Grid Artist step by step. Begin by preparing a clear reference image and matching grid on both the image and your canvas, then align key intersections. Use light guidelines and measure proportions carefully to set accurate reference points. Start with broad shapes and progressively refine details, checking overall composition, often to maintain correct scale and likeness. Set your workspace clean and well lit, and choose a grid density that matches your reference complexity. Translate the reference grid to your canvas using light guidelines and measure with a ruler or digital overlay. Mark focal points at intersections to keep alignment and maintain proportions. Work square by square, completing shapes within each cell before blending. Review overall composition often and adjust grid spacing if needed to begin transferring by outlining major forms and junctions, using the grid to place edges accurately. Focus on relative angles and lengths rather than copying pixels, and use consistent scale across cells. Gradually build value with hatching or shading, keeping strokes aligned with form direction. Soften cell boundaries as composition unifies, and use eraser for small corrections. Step back regularly to assess overall proportions and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.